Edward.
Sir.
Townsend. Come on, you miss all the fun.
All artillery! Fire!
I've been looking at your papers.
Don't worry about me, sir. I'm ready to do my bit for king and country.
Listen, son, you find forward and reverse when you're told you'll do all right for me. Grab those, would you? Come and meet Big Bess. Woman of your dreams. And our new driver, boys.
Whoa, no, don't swear. She does not like it when you swear. Finch, you've done this before.
Done what before?
Mind your business with manners. Listen, don't worry. She'll look after you, yeah?
All right, boys. This is the big one. Our orders are to punch through the German line, destroying artillery positions as we go. Finch.
Yes, sir.
After that, we'll advance on the French town of Cambrai, where I have been assured there is wine, women, and song. So you should enjoy that.
Ah, McManus won't. Jesus. Are we in safe hands or what, boys?
All right, McManus. Remember, boys, do your jobs, take care of each other. Big Bess will take care of you.
May the Lord have mercy on our souls.
We'll get through this together, right, Edwards?
Right, sir.
Full ahead, driver!
The damn bird is shedding.
Molted, McManus. Bird's molt.
I'll pluck every feather off that damn...
Easy there. That pigeon could save your life. It's our only line of communication.
Get up there, Edward.
Yes, I'm starting to get the hang of it.
What'd you do back home?
Drove a car. I was a chauffeur.
All stop! This is far enough. Infantry will go on the first whistle. Then we follow.
Heavens above. You ever seen anything like this?
I have, I'm sorry to say.
Listen, we're going to cut down the guns up by that windmill. Give our boys some room. That's our cue. Go ahead! See that tank, Edwards? Don't get us stuck in the mud like that. They got one of ours! Eyes front, drive!
Appreciate not being a target, new boy!
More wire we can... Both the gates and go! Keep your eyes peeled for more of those guns, lads. Those machine guns are holding our lads back. You're missing a shot over here, Finch. Hold position here! Clean out all the German guns!
They're gone! They're putting up a heck of a fight!
Target down!
Boys are moving up!
Continue suppressing fire! Keep them on their heels!
Breaches on the retreat!
That's it! Hold them, keep them suppressed!
We are righteous men!
Good job, lads! Now we're to the next trench line.
Jerry's down!
Move out of the mud! Hold here and clear the area. Be sure our boys have time to move up.
Still burning!
Keep pushing, boys. That was on the armor.
That one left the mark!
Grenade, get ready! Maintain covering fire. The lad's still pushing up. That's black. We showed him, lad.
There's a field gun!
Looking your country, lads. Good job. But remember, the day's still young. We're heading for the ruins, clearing a path for the infantry.
Field gun!
Go! Go! You're too close to that field gun! Hold this position. Mop up the remaining Jerrys. One more down. Stay focused, boys.
Should I give the bird some rum? He's having a riot to do.
Don't mess with the pigeon, Richard. It's our only link back to headquarters.
Edwards, how about you? You need a drink to steady your hands?
No, I don't drink.
Save the fun and games for when we arrive at Cambrai, boys.
Take that fire on them!
Stampede's the company! An unship will rip our boys apart. Edwards, get us in. Gunners, go for the... Okay,
We got them!
you're messing with the wrong crew. We managed to move up. Great work, lads. Time to move on.
I need you out there to take a look.
Watch your mouth, Fincher!
Edwards, get on and lend him a hand.
Keep it together! Right, get back in here and drive! Edwards, get her fixed and get back in here!
Field gun right now. Get a move on, driver. Took on the damn Jonah, and the Vinci's gone. Now, Menace, pull yourself together. Get us to that village, driver. Their artillery's holed up there. Blast that gun! Best can take that! Gun's done! Punch it, Edwards! You got it! We're taking damage!
Give it to them! That's it! That's it!
She's fixed!
That's it! She's purring like a bloody lion!
Right, get back in here and drive!
Field gun, flatten it! Move fast! My ears are ringing!
We got it!
Incoming! Great job, lads. Let's find the rest. What's that gun?
Cannon's gonna slow us down! Hit it!
That's two. Keep it, boys. Keep on that light tank. Oh, there it comes. Watch your back! That was the last one! Village is ours!
Still got there!
Gun crew is gone. Good job.
Hit!
down! That's one less machine gun!
Cannon's gonna slow us down! Hit it! Field gun right there!
Lads! Incoming!
Yes, that will shut them up!
One less MG. Wipe out that field gun through! Edwards, take us over. Clear the bridge of any German defences. Hit that gun and move. How many of those are we going to take? Hold on! Incoming! They were waiting for us. Get us moving!
Shit!
Can't get any traction! Push them back, lads!
Get off that thing, you
Mission
freaks,
barrel
now!
here!
No traction, sir. I can't move her.
Come on! Come on, then!
Richard! Richard!
Are you out of your mind? You're gonna get us all killed! Edwards behind you!
Edwards! Release the pigeon! That is an order, son! Do you understand me?
Sir!
Orders! Sir, new fire mission. It's Downton, sir. Three, 6, 4, turn!
Here it comes, boys. Nice serving with your lads. You have the look of the devil, Townsend. Is that right? All we got out here is blind orders and chance. Which you'll do first, you reckon?
I'm sick of your lip, McManus.
Aye, sir.
Edward, start her up. Lions backing up.
Big miss. Give us a break. Give us a break. Come on. Come on, miss. Come on, stop. Stop, big miss. Stop. It stopped. Are you just gonna stand there?
Hell. There's fog up ahead. I can't see more than 20 yards.
We're pushing through. Edwards, I'll drive. You jump out and scout ahead. Don't be a hero, lad. Just do your job.
Let's all get through in one piece, eh? If you get into trouble, we'll be right behind you, lad. Listen, son, I know we're asking a lot here, but this job needs doing. Find us a path through those woods. God almighty, that's a field gun screw. Edwards, have a recce up ahead. There's a gun you'll need to deal with it. If things go south, we'll come in blast. Otherwise, we'll bring press up. Give the signal.
Dass ich meinen Arsch nicht von deinem Gesicht unterscheiden kann. Was war das?
Edwards. There you are, lad.
Magic, driver. That's magic. Wouldn't even know there was a war on, eh?
Hang back, I'm pushing through the wire. I can't see a damn thing. Edwards, get up front and lead us through. Don't get too far ahead.
Looks like there may be trouble up ahead. You go scout, and if everything is all right, give us a signal. We'll come to help if we hear any trouble.
Ist das...
Denkst du? Irgendwann die Klappe? Ernsthaft?
Du bist der deprimierendste Mensch, den ich kenne! Geht kein Risiko ein! Fordert Hilfe an, wenn ihr ihn seht!
Wenn ihr ihn seht.
Barry, son, you leathered those Germans, eh? You keep it up, lad. Watch yourself. We'll deal with this. I can't see it down. Get up front and lead us through. Don't get too far ahead. Got us this far, Edwards. I need you to do it again, but we're out of these woods.
Ich sag dir was! Nur ich das Beste für unser Land will, bestraft sich der Aufwand ständig! Was für ein Fall,
Wir müssen ihn finden. Da geht doch niemand vorbei. Findet diesen Bastard und tötet ihn! Geht kein
No bad on that one, Edwards. We're nearly out the woods now. According to the map, it should soak you out with a sodded. Need to get across this here bridge, and then it should be much fun. I still need you to scout out. On the bridge! Germans, let them have it!
War das ein...
So. Oh, scheiße, ist das kalt.
There's a bunker on the ridge up ahead. Looks well defended, too. Those field guns could quickly ruin our days. You go in, clear out those guns. We'll move up. and drive, Edwards. Let's get out. Let's not do that again, anyway. Come on.
That was outstanding, Edwards. You'll have yourself a medal if we get through this.